fitting day today, all going back together. New balustrading sections there, and there we are. We've chopped these posts off here, and we're just putting a square, cutting them. We're not half lapping them now. We've just got a pin that we've drilled in there, just clamping all these together. We're just trying to work out how we're going to fix it. Problem is, we need to glue the pins, or resin the pins, glue the balustrades onto the post and fit the top section all before the resin and glues go off, because we need to make sure it all lines up. So we're just figuring out how we're going to do it, but we need to have the balustrading in to the post. It's going to be a nightmare, but we'll make it work. Dry fit it all now. It's all clamped up, and we haven't glued anything or done anything yet. Then up top we've done the same, just put the lid back on it now, and we haven't put any of the glue on any of these joints here. But what we're going to do is we're just going to line it all up now, then we're going to take the top back off it, then we're going to glue the balustrade into the posts with some 30-minute glue, and hopefully that'll give us time then to resin the pins in here and fix this top section. And then what we're going to do, once all that's dried, we're going to lift the whole thing up and glue the bottom ones.
This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles.
There we have it. Got the balustrading glued up, got the top section glued on, or resined on, and just because it's so cold at the minute, these are taking a little while to set. We've checked the temperature, we're in temperature for the resin, but it's taking a while, so we're just putting these little splints on now, just on all four corners, so we can lift it and get the resin joints done on the bottom section, and we're not waiting around for too long. Then we'll crack on down there. This balustrade in here, what we're going to do, we're just going to put a post in. Well, it's going to be the offcuts of these. We're going to lift it up and then prop them from this centre section, and just up underneath all them balustradings on all four sides, and that'll enable us then to get into these joints and get these resined up. We've already got the pins in there, and it's just they haven't been resined yet. And then when we've got them all done, we'll just take these out and lower it down.
Top quality.
What I've done to my hammer today, 120 quid I paid for that. About 10 years ago though. Gutted. Titanium, that bad boy.
A titanium handle for it.
Yeah, titanium handle needed. Anyway, so this is what we've got on the post now. We've got a pin in there, that's a M20 stainless steel pin, and it's 130mm up here, 130mm into that, and then we've put the glue on. I keep saying glue, it's not glue, it's resin. Put the resin on there, on the top as well, and then we've resined up inside there. And there's one of these on each four corners, one over there. So now we've just got two chocks under it actually, because we had to lift it higher. Take them out and get it down. So make sure the pins are lined up. Oh, I can't fit it. Might have it heavy end again. Are you doing this front turn first, Luke? Oh, we're going to have to hold it, aren't we, while then it takes the other one out to the other side. Or shall we just take the chocks out first? Just take them top chocks out, we'll get it down a bit lower, won't it? And then we'll get the pins lined up. Be easier. Let's do that. Just lift this, start this side. Look, just take the chocks out, sweet cheeks. Just the top chocks, yeah, because then it'll line pins up. Is it on? Yeah, it's gonna be back. It'll be catching on to the other side. Go around to the other side now, and then I'll take way to this side.
Just some resin on his head.
This pin's not in at this front side, Luke. Oh, it is.
The end?
Yeah,
Right, well, yeah, take that one out. Then you two just keep hold of that, and then he'll come round here, and then we'll splodge it down.
Scramble for your life, Luke.
Yeah, quick as you can. Don't be dawdling.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yes. Is that looking sweet?
Have we got splurge?
Is it splurged? Oh yeah, it's coming out. This is right, isn't it? Are you right on that edge there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm right on this edge. Yeah, it's just that back side now. It seems to be a couple of mil over on this side. I was going to say, have you got that little cutter as well? Because there's a bit round it, just a tiny bit there. The body filler tool. The plastic scraper.
Oh, right,
Oh, Luke's grabbed them. No, that one there, it's that one there that wants to do.
This one here?
Yeah.
That one's got it and all there, hasn't it?
What? No, it's just a bit shiny on there. Yeah. Yeah. That's got it. How to mill out there. There's not what I can do. Then you just want to drill one of them holes, one of them bolts in at the top there, and then sink in the nut, and then drill one in at this side. Sink them in so that nuts bolts are flush. That stainless will bind, so just put some oil on it. They'll go in a lot easier. If it's dry, it'll bind on it. Oh, is there? Oh yeah, maybe some silicone spray. That's it. All in and on, resined up. So we're just gonna run back to the workshop now, just plane some timber down, run it through thicknesser for these boards tomorrow, and then some up top. And that's it. I'm not back here tomorrow or somewhere else. Jack and Luke's here, and I crack on with top. So I'm on with today. Just put these trays in. So we've got an underskirt down here, and then the bays there. What we've got these little rolls. So we've got an undercloak and overcloak. This is the overcloak bay going over each side. This little detail is absolutely horrendous to do, but we've just welded the corners up, and then we're just gonna have to put some mastic around there to try and seal it up. I'm still thinking about that. I think we'll fold that back down, that lip, put some bonding fluid on it, mastic it, fold it back up, and then we'll paint some sealant on the bottom of this as well and get that bottom half painted up. And then we've just done these on the corners, welded these in, these little upstands, one coming around that corner, and then we've got some little welts. So what we've done, we've just made these because this bay, this is going to shrink and expand, so we need a joint there. If we just welded these together, they just crack down there. So what we're going to do is put these welts in, just form that down, lead weld them in, and we're just going to put one on each corner. Job done. That's it. And this roof's all been tiled now. It's looking good. We didn't do that, by the way, but they've put some lead in the hips as well, which it didn't have before, which was a problem. I think that was part of the reason why it was leaking in. But these flash down, I think tiles come up there somewhere. So yeah, it's looking good. I think maybe, well, we're not here tomorrow. The next day on it, we should get it done. Well, we're just going to cut these off as well on the corner posts. So you'll see we've got these upstands here, and what we're going to do is we're going to router in a groove in there. It's going to be chamfered about 20 degrees, and then the flashings are going to go in there, and then we're going to mastic them in down onto this upstand on the bay there. So yeah, that's it. Bit of an update. I'll see if I'm not here when it's going to get finished, but I'll see if lads can take a couple of photos or some videos. We might just do another one. That's where we're up to. It's looking good. Sun's in my eyes. Not a good start. But anyway, leadwork's done. Didn't manage to get here too much to get any videos, but it's looking mint. Just still doing patination oil on it. Keep coating it twice a day. It's just absolutely sallowed it down this afternoon, so we haven't managed to put out on it this afternoon. The little top's done. Looking good. Timberwork's looking well. You can't really see where it's been spliced in. Sun's behind it here. Lovely little backdrop that, showing it.